Okay, so here's how I'm going to try to get wet wood to burn. Over on the pine pile, I took and split a piece to where I could get the internal portions of dryness. The outside's wet, but the dry, and that's going to be the foundation. Then I'm going to take paper, build a nest of paper, and then I'm going to put the small tinder on it, trying to get it to burn. And then I've got a piece of pine that I had inside the tent that I got a couple of weeks ago that was in the wood box that is completely dry. And I'm going to try to get that to take, and then if that takes, then we'll put some of this wetter wood on. So this is more of a waxy paper, so I don't know how well that's going to work. So we'll lay that on top of that. And then I've got this all split real thin. Let's see if any of this will take. Okay, let's see what we can make happen here. That took. Try to light it in multiple areas here. Get something to take. It is still misting or light raining right now, but it's just about cleared out, and then we're going to have all the droplets off the leaves for the rest of the afternoon, or day. Okay, let's just move that just a little bit. Now the reason for this down here is so it's not sucking up the moisture from the fire pit. It adds kind of a dry base. Well, it seems to be working. Let's add these other pieces of pine here. Gently. Fire in the rain. And that's how I start a fire after it's rained all night, and probably at least an inch of rain, or half to an inch of rain. Always keep dry wood somewhere, whether it's under a tarp, in the tent. Have kindling, small twigs that are dry. If you're at a permanent campsite like this, permanent location, a lot of wood can get wet, but you need some dry stuff in order to get the fire going.